Inherited an old WQ2 file from a 1990s business archive and need to recover the data? This is a Quattro Pro for Windows spreadsheet, from the era before Excel dominated the market. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and convert these Quattro Pro spreadsheet files. Get ready for the finale. The power of this solution comes from the deep WQ2 file analysis provided by one specific inspection tool that is truly universal in its application. A spreadsheet file created by Quattro Pro for Windows, a component of the Corel WordPerfect Office suite. Users encounter this legacy format when accessing older financial models, datasets, or business reports. The primary user intent is to recover data from these outdated files for use in modern applications, like Microsoft Excel. The WQ2 format is a proprietary binary structure designed for rapid loading and calculation on older hardware. It stores cell data, formulas, formatting, and macros in a compact, non-human-readable format. This design prioritizes performance and memory efficiency over cross-platform compatibility, a common trade-off for software of its era. The anticipated software for loading WQ2 is Corel WordPerfect Office created by Corel Corporation. Document fidelity is only assured when opened with a dedicated program adhering to the standard. Windows cannot fully display complex spreadsheets, so specialized programs are needed for editing. The initial test, right-click the WQ2 file and choose Open With. If Corel WordPerfect Office is installed, test that first. If it's not present, choose another program. Don't worry if it fails on the first try. If the WQ2 file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Since that didn't work, we need a targeted approach. Follow me through these 3 critical actions that will help us isolate the cause. First, opening in modern Quattro Pro. Install Corel WordPerfect Office, which includes Quattro Pro, the modern descendant of the original application. Launch Quattro Pro and use File then Open to load the WQ2 file. The application maintains backward compatibility with legacy WQ2 files, allowing you to view, edit, and save in current formats. Next, converting with LibreOffice. LibreOffice Calc includes import filters for legacy Quattro Pro formats. Launch Calc, use File, then Open and select the WQ2 file. Calc converts the spreadsheet, preserving cell values and most formulas. Save the result as XLSX or ODS for compatibility with modern spreadsheet workflows and applications. Finally, using a file converter. Try a dedicated file conversion utility like Conversions Plus or an online legacy format converter to translate WQ2 files to XLSX or CSV. These tools handle older Borland formats producing modern spreadsheet files. Verify the converted output carefully, as complex formulas and macros may not translate perfectly. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.